All right, what's up, YouTube? So let's go ahead and get into today's video. But before we jump into the analysis of what happened on week 8, I just want to say we officially hit 4,000 subscribers. And I'm super grateful that each and every one of you has decided to follow along with this journey. It's been a blessing, man. All glory to the Most High. Can't say thanks enough. And to anyone who might be thinking about starting a journey and wanting to do YouTube, let this be your sign to actually start it. A year and some change ago, none of y'all knew who I was. I was just here trading all by myself, and then I just started recording my journey, and now we're here with 4,000 subscribers. So my advice to y'all would just be to put yourself out there, start that journey. You don't have to be the best, you don't have to be the greatest. It's a journey, right? And it's not a matter of if we'll make it, it's just a matter of when. But I just want to start this journey so you guys can see all the losses I go through, the real side of trading, and that way when I'm really winning, y'all will be able to know, okay, yeah, he's been real from the jump. He's real now. He ain't got nothing to fake. So I really appreciate, again, all the love and support. Can't say thank you enough. Big up to you guys. And enough of me yapping. Let's go and get into this breakdown. So week 8, we ended up trading audcad. Now, if you remember from the top setups video, I said that I was going to be waiting on this one. I did not, in fact, wait. Once price had started on Monday inside this area of interest, I was already looking at it. Now, don't get me wrong, I was looking at the other pairs that I had lined up, like NZD-CAD and all that stuff, but they weren't moving inside our area of interest yet. So I was just watching AUD-CAD. So Monday price ended up opening up in our area of interest. That's when I went down to the lower time frames, the 1 hour, the 30, or the 15. As you know, the weekly was bearish, the daily was bullish, and the 4 hour was bullish. So we already had 2 time frames in sync, giving us our bias to look for buys. This is where we were at on Sunday. As you see, price went bullish, bearish, and then went bullish again. Gave us this pullback and this engulfing candle right here. But my stop loss was not in the right spot that it should have been. So I ended up trying to have a shorter stop loss to have a larger lot size. And that backfired because if you've seen other videos, you know that I usually put my stop loss under the box, or if there is a big wick from the previous day, then I'll usually just put it under there so that way price can move and do what it wants to do and not stop us out. So in this case, I didn't do that. Like I said, I wanted to have a bigger lot size, so I shortened my stop loss, and that wasn't a smart idea. Let me be the example for you to always follow your rules. Don't break them, especially if you know that they work, because in this case, we ended up getting stopped out. Now, for this first trade, we didn't actually hit full stop loss because I noticed that price had created a head and shoulders pattern on this 1 hour. So once I saw the 1 hour close under it and confirm the head and shoulders pattern, I ended up cutting my losses there. So although we didn't take a full loss, still sucks because it shouldn't have been a loss anyways. But that's how that one ended up. So after seeing that, I saw that price was still respecting this on not only the 1 hour, but the 4 hour as well, right? Price is still respecting the zone, still respecting the EMA, giving us rejections from the EMA. So I still was like, okay, price can definitely go up. Maybe we just got the wrong entry. So coming into, what was this? Monday night, right after market open and all that, I realized that price was still in this area of interest, still showing us rejection. Not only that, we could see an inverted head and shoulders pattern right here that was confirmed and went bullish. So then all I was looking for was a pullback and engulfing, right? So even though we just took the loss, I said, you know what? I'm not going to let that stop us. I still think AUD-CAD can end up going up. Not only that, the lower time frames are showing us that it might be time to go up with this inverted head and shoulders pullback and engulfing, especially on the 1 hour. I love the 1 hour entries. I just feel like they're more consistent. So once I saw this, ended up taking it again, and I was not a dumbass this time and put my stop loss under the box, of course, with 5 pips. So stop loss was under there, and my targets were, as always, 1 to 2.5 or 1 to 3. As you can see, this was London session. Price ended up dumping, and again, thank God that my stop loss was lower, because if not, we would have got stopped out again. But price ended up dumping, had a big engulfing candle on this 1 hour, which started this push up. And on the 4 hour, as we can see, price was respecting area of interest, respecting EMA, and ended up pushing up as well. So this was on a Wednesday, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that price started pushing up, or Tuesday. So this was on a Tuesday. and we actually ended Tuesday off pretty well in profit. Didn't move our stop loss to break even or nothing like that. Going into Wednesday, we did see price start to come back down. Wasn't scared at all because we just had broken structure to the upside. So I was just looking for price to make a higher low to then make a higher high. And it seemed like it was doing that until I think it was, I forgot what time, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Trump ended up speaking. Apparently, he said something. I could be mistaken, but all markets were moving crazy. A lot of people in the Discord who were in profit went into drawdown, much like myself. So we was on our way up, and then the price ended up pushing down. Again, I'm not saying it was solely him. It could have just been, the way price wanted to move. But just know during that time, things got a little hectic. And then after that, as you can see, price just ended up continuing down throughout the week and ended up stopping us out on Thursday at 11 o'clock, or what is this? Yeah, 11 o'clock a.m. So it is what it is. Week 8 was another loss, unfortunately. So we're here now on FundingPips, and this is how the account is looking: $95,096. Right now, down 4.9%, which isn't really crazy in my opinion. You could come back from that easy. As you see here, the results of the trades that I've taken, although it's probably not even updated. Let me go back to February. Yeah, probably not even updated all the way. But as you see, all the trades that I have taken are right here. And we could go to Trade Locker, where you can see every single trade that I've taken. Right? Not the best looking P&L, but it is what it is. Trust me, we will keep working. We will keep getting better. So that's what week 8 entailed for us. We will continue to see what the journey has for us as we continue on throughout the year. I really don't plan on doing this prop firm account all year. I promise you, I don't plan on doing that. It will probably get to a point to where I like risk it all. But of course, don't follow me. Do what you want to do. And there's nothing wrong with doing it for a year at all. I just personally, I've done it before and I don't want to do it again. But that's just me. So that's going to be the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Again, I really do appreciate 4,000 subscribers, man. It means a lot to me. And I hope that the videos have been helping y'all in one way or another, man. But with that being said, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay up and y'all go be great. I'll catch you on the next video.